Hello everyone, I hope you are okay. So today we will talk about the swap design. Then let's start. Okay, so a swap actually is a financial contract that represents an agreement between two parties to periodically conduct an exchange of a pre-specified size at pre-specified times in the future according to certain pre-specified rules. So today we will talk about the interest rate swaps, and it is possible to value interest rate swaps in two ways. The first is actually as a portfolio of forward rate agreements, and the second as the difference between the values of a fixed and the floating rate bond. So by the way, note that interest rate swaps actually these are the transforming the assets. So after these quick informations, today our topic will be how can we design the interest rate swaps. So after this question, you will have idea how the swap can be designed. Then let's start. So suppose firm ABC and XYZ are subject to the following rates per annum on a $5 million 10-year investment. So ABC firms, if takes the fixed rate interest, then it can gain 8%. If the floating rate, LIBOR plus 0.1% interest rate that can firm ABC can gain for its $5 million under the 10-year investment period. So for XYZ, 8.8% and LIBOR plus 0.3% for the floating rate. So by the way, LIBOR means that London International Bank offer rate for the floating rate investment and floating rate interest, and it identifies by randomly the banks. So secondly, the question says that you are informed that ABC company seeks an investment that would yield a fixed rate of return, while the XYZ targeting floating rate investments. So ABC wants fixed rate investment, XYZ wants floating investments. Then, what is the question? Design a fixed to floating interest rate swap that nets your brokerage company, which is us here, 0.20% per annum in commissions and simultaneously appear equally attractive to ABC and XYZ. Okay, so to design a swap, there are some steps that we will follow for this question, and if you are in the midterm and the final exam, please follow these steps, then you will be comfortable during the exam. So first of all, let's circle what the company is actually targeting for their investment. Then look at the comparative advantage. So when I look at the fixed rate column, and I see the 0.8% comparative advantage. So for the floating rate, the difference and the advantage actually minus 0.2%. So the critical point is that to design a swap, please keep in your mind that sentence. Actually, to create the swap design, so you should actually offer a opposite strategy, so you will understand within a minute. So let's go back to our comparative advantage. If we add these to 0.6% that we will find, but we will have commission, therefore we need to subtract that number and find 0.4% as our net comparative advantage. So then let's share this 0.4% with equally to each company, which is 0.2. Let's say this is the first step. And second step, the target for ABC company and target for XYZ company. So in question, we already know that ABC company can take 8% fixed rate, but we find the advantage as 0.2%. Then we will offer the ABC company 8.2% fixed rate. So XYZ company wants a floating rate investment. So the firstly, the question says LIBOR plus 0.3% for the XYZ company, but we find 0.2% advantage. Then we will targeting to LIBOR plus 0.5% for XYZ company. So as you see, we create advantage for ABC company, we create advantage for XYZ company, also we create advantage for our company, which is in the question brokerage company. So, and this will be the last and the third step to create design of a swap. Let's say this is a ABC company, this is a brokerage company, or let's say swap bank, whatever you call, and let's say that's the XYZ company. So probably 2 minutes ago I said that the critical and the crucial part to design swap actually first of all offering a different strategy. So let's say instead of fixed rate, giving fixed rate to ABC, from this point of now, let's say LIBOR plus 0.1 for ABC. And for XYZ, let's give opposite strategy again, 8.8% fixed rate. Okay, so after do that, look at your target. So ABC wants 8.2% and XYZ wants LIBOR plus 0.5%. So how can we do that? So we need to give XYZ a LIBOR, because XYZ company at the end of the day wants the floating rate. Okay. Now arrow actually shows everything. So XYZ company currently takes LIBOR and takes 8.8% fixed interest rate. But as a swap bank, how can we give LIBOR to XYZ company? Okay, as a brokerage or as a brokerage company in question. So of course take the ABC. So now we have LIBOR also. So at the end of the day, our target says that for the XYZ company, LIBOR plus 0.5%. So currently we have for the XYZ LIBOR plus 8.8%. So how can we create LIBOR plus 0.5? Then we should take 8.3% from XYZ. And for ABC, our target what? 8.2%. So currently, so this LIBOR and this LIBOR goes for ABC, and what do we have here? So ABC should take, it has already 0.1, so to actually create 8.2, we need 8.1%. Then let's check, can we took our commission successfully? Of course. So we got LIBOR, we give LIBOR, we took 8.3 and we give 8.1, at the end of the day we have 0.2% commission. What a beautiful, isn't it? So as a swap bank we earn the money. So also ABC company is happy because at the end of the day we are giving to 0.2% more interest rates, and XYZ company is happy because we are giving again 0.2% more than they expect. That's actually what the designing a swap. So if I mentioned before, if you follow these steps, especially during your midterm or the final exams, you will be comfortable. So take care of yourself.